Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make this decorative Christmas box. These are materials which I'll be using to create a decorative Christmas box. These are measurements for my box. My boyfriend kindly made a box for me, using his oak cut-off materials. And here's finished oak box. Now I will prepare decorations. I'm using this white craft paint to paint the pine cones. After I painted all the pine cones, I will leave them to dry. Next, I'm filling the box with the ivy leaves. I'm putting aside these pretty ivy leaves with like white ivory edges around it. Next, I'm adding holly. Next, I'm adding painted pine cones. Next, I'm decorating the box with those pretty ivy leaves. I'm organising all the leaves in a box so they look nice and neat. Now I'm painting all of the leaves with this silver shimmer nail polish. Next, I'm adding this rose gold shimmer nail polish on pine cones. Next, I'm gonna create a bow. I'm reusing this red ribbon, which I had like on a Prosecco bottle, so I'm just reusing this ribbon to create a bow for my decorative Christmas box. So I'm creating like a bow, and I'm adding this brooch in the middle of the bow. And I'll be adding this bow in the middle of the box, right there. I'm cutting long ribbon ends off, so I have a nice and short bow ribbon, and looks like that. And I'm using a hot glue gun, and I'm applying it on the back of the ribbon, and I'm gluing my bow on the box. Next, I'll be applying these 4 candles on the top of the box edges. And last thing, I'm adding Christmas lights on the top. And here's my finished Christmas decorative box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you all a happy holidays, and if you have any questions how I made this Christmas decorative box, please do comment down below on the comment box, and I'll see you next time.